Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Yamaha A-S501 natural sound integrated stereo amplifier. This isn't just any amplifier, it's a powerhouse delivering 85 watts per channel for incredibly clear, rich audio. Boasting a sleek, sophisticated design with an aluminium front panel, the AS501 is as visually appealing as it is sonically impressive. But the beauty goes beyond the aesthetics. This amplifier is packed with features that audiophiles will appreciate. We're talking gold-plated inputs for superior connectivity, a pure direct mode for ultimate sound purity, and Yamaha's renowned top art technology for total purity in audio reproduction. You also get digital audio inputs for seamless connection to your TV and Blu-ray player. And for late-night listening, the continuously variable loudness control ensures a balanced sound at any volume. With its impressive 4.5-star rating on Amazon, based on over 1,124 reviews, the AS501 consistently receives praise for its exceptional sound quality, powerful output, and excellent value. Customers rave about the clarity, the detailed soundstage, and the rich, full tones across all frequencies. Many describe it as a significant upgrade from their previous systems. The Yamaha S501 is more than just an amplifier, it's an investment in superior audio quality. It's the perfect choice for anyone seeking to elevate their listening experience. So whether you're a seasoned audio enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your home entertainment, the Yamaha S501 is a serious contender. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of audio equipment and more. See you in the next one.